Assalamualaikum students. I hope that all of you are good, safe and sound at home. I'm your instructor Sana Chaudhary. This is the first lecture of week 4. In previous lecture we started chapter number 3, which is system software, and please open your book page number 32. Today we will discuss interface, user interface and different type of interfaces. Before going to understand what is user interface, first we need to know what is an interface. An interface is a way in which two people communicate. For example, you and your friend are talking to each other. So this means that you and your friend are communicating or interacting with each other. A point where two system means two computers, subjects mean two people, and organization meet and communicate. So this is an interface. By using interface you can communicate with people or with system. User interface, it is also known as computer user interface. You can also call it UI. A user interface is a program that allow user to communicate with computer. For example, if you want to communicate with computer, you have to use interface, or by using interface you can communicate with computer. The mean by which user and computer can communicate, computer user interface is the point of human computer connection, interaction and communication in a device. Or for example, on a computer, the screen, the keyboard and speaker are the parts of user interface. For example, if you want to communicate to computer, so the screen, monitor, screen means monitor, and the keyboard, by using keyboard you can write commands or syntax, and speakers are the parts of user. So these are the parts of user interface. So what is user interface? A user interface is a program that allow user to communicate with computer. Is that clear, students? Types of user interface. Students, there are many types of user interface. We will discuss some common types of UI. First one is command line interface. Command line interface, it is also known as CLI. And second one is graphical user interface, which is also known as GUI. Let's understand these interfaces one by one. First one is command line interface. Command line, before going to understand command line user interface, first we need to know what are commands. So students, commands are a type of sentence or order in which someone is being told to do something. So command is like an order, and we give order to computer to perform some specific task. It allow type command to perform task. In CLI you can give command, you can write command, you can learn command in order to do some specific task. It is quite fast but require user to memorize the exact syntax of commands. Syntax mean rules of writing commands. So CLI is text-based interface used for entering commands, and you have to write, you have to learn, and you have to learn the difficult command in order to write command. Okay, for example, if you want to open an interface, you have to write command just for open interface. And if you want to read a sentence, you have to write read command just to read some sentence. Okay, for example, like in CLI, each and every task you have to write commands. Okay, so this is CLI, command line user interface, means you have to learn and write commands in order to perform some task. It is it is very difficult for user to learn and write commands for each and every task, but it has many advantages, like CLI occupies less memory. It has very slow processing speed. This is the example of command line user interface DOS, disk operating system. It is an example of command line interface operating system. It is purely text based instructions. Okay, second type is GUI, graphical user interface. Graphical user interface is very easy to explore. It requires just a single click. You don't have to learn typed complicated commands, but they need more memory. CLI needs less memory, but GUI needs more memory, and CLI is more secure, but GUI is less secure as compared to CLI. It look very attractive and multicolored. It is also known as WIMP window icon menu pointing devices. It is simpler to use. Instead of typing command, user can just click on icon, and user can just click on image, user just click on picture and drag it into required folder or file. Microsoft Windows is an example of GUI. It is simpler to use. If you open a Word file, user interface will allow you to see the information on screen. For example, in Microsoft Word, if you want to read some information and if you want to open some files, user interface will allow you to see the information on screen. It will allow you to modify document. You can change, modify means change. You can change document, you can add, subtract things in documents. So this was GUI, means graphical user interface. Students, this is your assignments. Computer has CLI and GUI. Computer has both interfaces, command line interface and GUI interface. Why people prefer GUI? You will have to think about it. Well, this is your test. Student, this is example of GUI. Like you can see icons, you just click and the work is done. Okay, there is no need to write any command, or there is no need to learn complicated commands. You just click and the work will be done. Okay, this is an example of CLI, and in CLI you have to learn and read commands. For example, if there is a spelling mistake, the command will not work, command will fail. So you have to learn and write command accurately. This is difficult for user as compared to GUI, because in GUI you just click on icons or image and the work will be done, but in command line interface you have to write and learn each and every command just perform some task. So students, this was all about today's lecture. I hope things are clear now. Thank you so much.